Welcome to our KDK Tech and PC World online television YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to insert an image from internet in Microsoft Office 2019. So to teach this, today I am going to use Microsoft PowerPoint 2019. Now I am going to insert an image from internet. To do this, I need to go to Insert ribbon and select Online Pictures. Then I can use online pictures in my OneDrive or from Bing Image Search. Bing means a search engine created by Microsoft. To use this, just click here and then type your keyword to find relevant image. In this case, I am going to find a personal computer, so I will type this keyword, PC computer. Then I can enter. Then I can select image from this list. I'm going to use this one here, and then select insert. As you can see, it's downloading and now it has been inserted into the slide. Now I can resize it like this and use it for my presentation. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.